So here I am on the catamaran leaving Cadiz to go to El Puerto de Santa Maria, the oldest inhabited city allegedly in Europe. And the good thing is, if you look over here, not the boat, that goes up towards Seville, and it is expensive. You're looking like, for a 5-night cruise on that, you're looking about €500. So yeah, so leaving Seville here. Now over here the sun's going down, and it's due in about 10 minutes, so it's going to be quite good going out of the bay. So over there you got the 1812 bridge, Little Pepper, from the signing of the Constitution, 1812. Opened October 2015, 3 years late. So you can see in the background you've got the cathedral over there. You walk that direction across, in like 2-3 minutes you're the Atlantic Ocean, gorgeous beaches. So let's quickly show you downstairs. Okay. So here we go, downstairs, and I'll show you inside. So the inside of the boat, so just a few seats coming down, nothing special. But it's peaceful. So overhead lockers if you need them. It's only a half-hour journey. So we'll come back up, we'll walk up the stairs. Right here. Okay, so it's only small, and with a card I've got a discount, $190. Otherwise you're looking at $370 one way, so it's not bad, half-hour journey. Well, that's where the driver cans. So you can see the sun over there. Used to be a big docking area here. We get quite a few cruise boats coming in as well. So the cruise boats, when they come in, they dock 1 or 2 along here. If there's any more along here, sometimes going over to behind here. They've got a dry dock. There's a Johnny Cash t-shirt. Can't knock that. We have hello. We have happy people. Where are you from? Where? Oh, north. Ah, Cadiz's first game of the season. Aquí, Real Zaragoza. SAKE, I'll be there. Oh yeah.
Where are you from?
England.
England, where to in England?
I'm from Southampton, my family are from Newcastle.
Newcastle. I've been to Newcastle.
Ah, it's great.
When I was young.
Right now it's cold and raining.
Sometimes in summer, there's no summer there.
There isn't, it's like sitting inside a fridge. This is good, I live in El Porto. So I'll make a little video on the boat for my friends. So there you go, we're saying, see us later Cadiz. And yeah, a nice view of the bridge for you. Okie dokie. Well, I hope you like that. Maybe I'll make another video as we go into the bay. But there you go.